Millions of Indian people will soon receive vital relief. The Indian government will soon implement the Unified Digital Identity System (UDIS), which will enable users to update important identity documents such as Aadhaar, PAN, driving license, voter ID, and passport from a single portal. What is Unified Digital Identity System? The Unified Digital Identity System is a digital portal that connects numerous government-issued identity documents into a single interface. This means that citizens will no longer have to contact various departments independently for updates. A single update will automatically reflect across all linked documents. How long will it take to update? After logging into the portal, users will find different options such as mobile number update, address change, or name correction. Once the necessary documents are uploaded, updates will be completed within just 3 working days. If users want an updated physical copy of their identity document, they can apply for it directly through the portal. The updated physical document will be delivered to their home via the post office within 7 working days. Alternatively, users can also collect updated documents from nearby authorized centers. Required document upload. Users will be required to upload supporting documents for any change they wish to make. The entire process is digital, ensuring a faster and more streamlined experience. Will there be a fee? Yes, if users opt for a newly printed, updated identity document, a nominal fee will be charged. Payment can be made directly through the portal. Data security and ongoing trial. Currently, the system is undergoing trial runs. Significant technological and legal challenges related to data security have largely been addressed. The trials have achieved 92% accuracy so far. Once the system crosses 98% accuracy, final testing will be conducted, after which it will be officially launched for public use. Key highlights. Feature: time to update documents, 3 working days. Delivery time for updated physical documents, 7 working days. Services available: Aadhaar, PAN, driving license, voter ID, passport. Charges: nominal fee applicable. Trial accuracy achieved 92%, target 98%. How will citizens benefit? Saves time. One platform for all major document updates. Convenient process, no need to visit multiple departments. Secure data management. Advanced security protocols to safeguard personal information. Boost Digital India Mission, fully digital workflow promoting ease of access. The Unified Digital Identity System is said to be a revolutionary step towards simplifying citizens' interactions with government services. It will save you time, effort, and money while providing a secure and efficient solution for maintaining crucial identifications documents. This strategy will help India get closer to its objective of establishing a completely digital and citizen-friendly economy.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.